That's a good one, dude.
Guys, we are out here on Pymatuning Lake. Dylan from Hooked On Fishing, Ricky from The Real Deal and Hooked On Fishing. We can only use our trolling motor right now. We're out of the Linesville launch. Got some juicy lilies over here. Oh! Did you guys see that? Looks like the frog's coming out. The frog is coming out to play. Yo, all the way in that back pocket. Are you throwing a popping frog? Okay. All right, get the live wells going. I'm about to catch one right here. It's gonna keep. I got him, I got him. There we go. Frog did it dirty. That's the first one of the day. And she will keep. Choked her too. Nice. I don't have to measure that, right?
I could see from here he was barely hooked.
So yeah, that was a decent one.
Dude, it's fucking burning right now. I guess it was coming at us too.
Mm-hmm. Good one, dude. Coming right at us.
What contest you got?
8.
Oh.
Let's go, dude.
There you go. Is there another hole in this mouth?
No.
I haven't found him. Fishing Randy paid off. We started getting bit because I turned that 360 off.
Yep. I think that'll keep. I don't need it. You're good. He's hooked good.
Why? No, these, dude.
No, we're good. If it's 12, it's right on the dot. 12. Well, guys, we're off to a decent start. Definitely need to get some bigger fish. Ricky needs to get a fish. I mean, what can I say? But yeah, I got to get some bigger fish. Got 3 in the box right now. Shouldn't have a problem getting 2 more the way it's going. But we're gonna keep fishing this little weed bed here. Some nice grass, definitely some bait here. And hopefully we can get a couple more. Oh, that's why I just made that cast. Was to find the end of it. Yeah, there's none out there. Oh no, there's some. There's some weeds out there. Jesus, swam right at me, dude. Did you hear how fast I was reeling?
Yeah.
I didn't know how big it was. Huh?
In this rain. I think you got it far enough. There you go. Something Randy doesn't even do. He's straight tied. I thought he was not.
Oh, Jesus, that scared me.
Oh, what are you doing? Jesus Christ.
Dude, I was falling over. I just yanked him in. You didn't see, I almost went in the water, bud. Nothing else I could do. Running right at me.
Fish on the surface. I thought he was about to spit that.
So I thought he was too. That is a fat little guy. Got some work to do.
Fat, but very small.
Real fat. Wow. Look at that chunker. You want a net? Oh, hurry up. I didn't even know you had a fish. All right. Ricky got 4, I got 5. That's a good one, dude. Good one. Oh, did I snag him? That's why it was a good one. That's good. That little one? I think a chatterbait. Huh? I think a chatterbait in here would be nice. Dude, there we go. There he is. Oh. Good one? Yep. That's pretty good. It's really good. It's gonna call. Oh, ouch. Jeez.
Yeah, that hurt my finger. Maybe at the end of the day.
Beautiful.
Wait, we both have 5 or we have 6? I have 6.
Yeah. Nope. Nope.
I don't even think it's full.
No.
Might be for me. I might get rid of your one.
No. Well guys, we're headed back in towards the launch right now. We're gonna hit these couple docks and hopefully get one big bite. Ricky did a pretty good job calling the last hour, so.
Oh, to come back, baby.
So I think he's got me now, actually. But I missed 3 fish top water that 2 for sure